Namaste. How's it going? The Bhramari Pranayama, or the hummingbee breath, is one technique I often teach my students. It's simple to practice, there's no contraindication, and it's relaxing, calming, and centering, something that everyone needs in this modern day. So for today, let me teach you the basics as well as the progression of this technique. All right. So the spine can be relaxed as you do this. Yeah, you can actually do this asana free any time of the day you feel the need for centering and releasing. Good. So closing your eyes first and then find your natural breath through the nose, inhaling, through the nose, exhaling. All right. And then begin to change the pattern of your inhalation. So the in-breath is slightly sharp and active, and all the way out, full exhalation. There's one distinctive quality of the Bhramari Pranayama. So the inhalation is slightly active, sharp, and the exhalation long, complete, almost humming it. Yeah, because we're actually humming the exhalation. Good. Next time, breathing in and then vibrating your lips and the vocal cords as you hum the exhalation. Draw the breath in quickly. Keep going. So because you're drawing the breath quickly in, there's a slight clip at the top before you hum it. Clip. Keep going. We're not doing the Ujjayi Pranayama. Yeah, it's just a natural breath, sucking breath in. All right, good progression. Yeah, you may use your index fingers in closing your ears and then just apply a moderate pressure. Yeah. Inhale, close, and hum it. Yeah. And slightly release the seal as you inhale. Close. So as you inhale, just release the seal. You can focus your internal eyes between your eyebrows. One last. And release your hands. Good. Bhramari Pranayama has this instantaneous effect to the brain. You might probably observe like you're transitioning to a state where it's calming, relaxing, almost you'd like to do the relaxation or the meditation already. Or it actually relaxes the brain that it could induce sleep. So you can also apply this technique if you find yourself quite restless at night. I do that myself. Yeah, just hum it even without closing the ears. Just hum it, and then you'll find yourself drifting to the natural sleep. Yeah, without you actually noticing it. Yes, so Bhramari Pranayama it's like doing a mantra, yeah. But instead of the mantra, we're using the vocal cords, we're using the lips, you're using the breath. Yeah, it's a hatha yoga technique which has a similar effect to mantra meditation. All right, so how long? Yeah, you can do 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or really up to you. Yeah, so when you feel like the need to release, take your last one and then just a moment of feeling the effect of the technique. You might experience like your sense of hearing is actually so amplified. You can hear echo inside the brain, and then that's common. It will just dissipate as your brain decompresses and returns to its natural state. Beautiful. Good. I'll see you in the next lesson. Yeah, have a meaningful one. Namaste. Bye-bye.